Okay. So automatic payment program, it's called APP. So what it is, last class we have seen, we have booked some vendor invoices, and then we did uh, payment clearance by manually, like FDES 43, and then we cleared it with a FDES 53, right? Where it is, yeah. So we created one vendor invoices here, FDES 43, and then we cleared it through FDES 53. Okay, that was the manual task. Now all this FDES 53, the clearance of vendor others invoices can be done automatically. Okay, so there is a process, it's called automatic payment program. Short form is APP. So what it is, what it does, so automatic payment program in S4 HANA automates outgoing vendor payments. Okay, and it is drastically reduce your manual processing and speed up payment cycle by dynamically scanning all your due invoices. Okay, so whatever invoices will be available, due date met, those will be selected by the program, and it will generate the payment file, and it will send to bank. Okay, so how it does, what happens in this, so there are some configurations which you need to perform to do this automatic payment program. So there are six steps in configuration which we need to do it here. First thing is all company code, then we have payment company codes, then we have payment method in the country, then payment method in company code, then we do bank determination and house bank creations. So these things need to be set up to do that APP program run. Okay, so in the system there is a transaction code called FBZP. If you go FBZP, you will be able to do all this configuration one by one. Okay, so let's go to the system and see directly all this, and we will do one posting. Okay, so we'll do required configurations. Some of the configurations are already there. Let's see what all are there, what all are not there. Okay, so just follow that whatever steps I'm saying. So first you go FBZP transaction code, and you click the all company codes. So the company code which you are configuring, that you details you need to put it here. So all company code, and then you can go new entries and then give your company code here. So what is our company code? Do you remember? It's a HP30. So we'll give HP30 and then sending company code, paying company codes. So why there is a two option here? What is the sending company code and paying company codes? So sometimes the business, when it has means big company, they are having a lot of businesses, so they will create some multiple company codes. Okay, so one company codes which will do the buying and all those things. Okay, but other company codes which will maintain all your payment and everything. Okay, and then internally there is a internal settlement will happen. That is another process. But as of now, just understand the company who has multiple company codes, and one company code will have their only the purchasing and those things they will do, but they don't do the payment. So payment detail will maintain in one company code. So that time they will say paying company code or sending company codes. Okay, so as of now, just for our understanding, uh, FBZP, all company codes. So we have one company code already, so HP30. Okay, so HP30, this information, just give the company code, sending company code, paying company code. Okay, so we will not create this. This is already there. Then paying company code. So here the paying company code details when we do what all we have to do. So there you have to maintain some informations like what is the minimum incoming payment, okay, or outgoing payment, okay. So those things like when you are doing running something, invoice should be something, some minimum amount should be there, not every not for very less amount you keep running those automatic payment program. So that's why they have to maintain this incoming payment program, okay. For minimum amount for here the paying company code, these two settings, it's already there, we will not do it here. And payment methods in the country. Payment, what does that payment method mean? Meaning of payment method is like how you are going to pay to your vendor. How means like we do, the processes are there like by a check, bank transfer, or any other mode, right? So most of the company they will do it like a payment methods check, okay, or sometime transfer also will be there, some options are also there, bill of exchange. So let's see. So SAP has already given few of them, you can also maintain your own, okay. So if you see the check, okay, here, okay, so it will say check outgoing payment, and here you have to give this, these many options are there, okay. Bank transfer, check, bill of exchange, okay. Bill of exchange is also one option is there, that is a different process altogether, okay. So in this, so let's see which payment method we can use. So I'll take some check, which is this one, okay. Let's take this one, payment method A, then check. And then this is very important, you need to understand inside this payment method for the country, we have to first see this payment program, medium program. This is the program which generates the payment file, okay. And this is the document type. Remember when we cleared that FDS43, so this is the document type which has been used to clear the document, okay. So KR for vendor invoice, KZ for this payment, right? So this has to be maintained here, okay. Now this needs to be assigned to your company code, okay. So company code which we are dealing with. So that our company is SP30 is in India, right? The country is in India, for that country that company code. So Indian payment methods we can use it here. Some other countries also will be there here, see, India, then all these businesses wherever you are, Italy, Norway, New Zealand, Australia also will be there, means Thailand, US, okay. So all first the country code, the payment method has to be maintained. Then payment method in company code. Okay. So what is our company code? HP30. Okay. HP30 we have maintained these three. Okay. A, C, T, T also is there like, and then you have to here also minimum amount and maximum amount you have to maintain it. Okay. Clear till now? Any questions, query? No. Anyone else joined? Okay, good. Now, before going to bank determination, we have to go house bank. Okay. House bank, here you see your company code first. What is our company code? 30. Okay. So this has some company house bank is already there. Okay. House banks are already here created. We also can create few. Okay. So let's create one house bank and see. Okay. So let's create one house bank called SBI. Okay, let's do it. Then we will see how it is working or not. Okay, bank key. This is bank will this all information will be provided by the business. No need to worry about it. Okay. Then bank key. Bank key you can give anything. Okay. So this one I'll give 67890. Let's see. Okay. Then address you have to automatically will come. EDI partner profile. Okay. If you are doing any kind of IDOC transfer, you are doing it. So that information you have to maintain it here. EDI partner number will be there. Okay. And if DME exchange is there, that time you have to give it here. Okay, house bank has this two important thing. Okay, interview. One time interview asked me, if you are there is a IDOC thing, where do we maintain it? So that time you have to tell it is we maintain it in a house bank. Okay, now I'll do it here, create. So I'll say SBI. Okay, branch I'll say electronic city, MG road we will say. Okay, Bangalore, MG road. What is the postal code for MG road? We don't know. Something 03. We'll see if it takes or not. Okay. Region Karnataka. Then that's it. We just can save it here. It does not have bank number. That's okay. 67890. Okay. We just remember that. Then you have to go bank account. So bank account here, there is a catch. Okay, so bank account we cannot create in SAP GUI. So to create it we have to go to where? Fiori. Let's go to the Fiori. That you need to remember. That's why I'm creating it here, that you have to create it. It will take you to the SAP Fiori screen when you do create. Okay, now let's go do creation. I'll do this login. Okay, I'll log in. Last time also we did, right? Remember, whoever has completed last batch, we did the same processes. So what all information it is asking, we will see it. Okay, so what we are doing, we are creating here account. Okay, bank account. So when is the opening date? What is the date today? 25th 05 2026. Okay, then company code you can give. Okay, account holder name, we'll say something HP. Okay, country India. Bank key we created, right? 67890. No. Okay, then currency INR. When we don't have account number, we can give our account number anything. Okay, so 6-digit account number we can give. Like let's give 34578. Okay, how many is it? 336 till 9 will give. Okay, these all information in real time you will get it from business. They will give you. Just we are learning it here, so we are just making it out. Any kind of any number we are giving it here. Okay, account type. You can select it here. So business account, will do account type 01 current account. Okay, this thing's already done. Anything else is pending here somewhere? I think name, I think we have to give. Okay, let's say current account. Okay, current account HP. So this looks fine. Then we have to do it here. Manage house bank. Here also we have to give our GL account. Okay, so what was our GL account? We'll go here, we can draw, take it to the GL account. SP30, we had a GL account, right? So okay, SBI main bank GL account we don't have. Okay, we can use one of them, but it will look very odd. So let's go and create one quickly. FS00. Okay, change this code SP30 and asset. Okay, so let's create this one, copy it. Okay, copy, we can do CSA, let's do it 20. Okay, okay, balance sheet asset. So here we can say SBI main bank, SBI. Okay, main bank account, then controlling. That's okay, fine. These things no need to worry, this is also fine. Okay, we can just save it. So SBI main bank account has been created. Okay, now let's go here again, search it again. Okay, now we should get SBI main bank. Okay, we got it, right? So we will assign it here. Now house bank, what was that as house bank name? SBI. Here also we can maintain SBI. Okay, no issue. SBI on. Okay, let it be. Okay, now anything else information is required? Let's see. Does not exist in the company code. House bank, huh? Banky, what was that banky? Created, no? 1 330. Why it is not created, huh? That's when it took us there, no? What is this? We did not save or what? After creation. Okay, let's do once again. We created, huh? Okay. It's already there, huh? Okay. Does not have bank account. That's okay. Now we will save it first. Okay. We did not save it. That's why it's not coming. Okay. So let's do. So it has come here. Say HP we had, right? HP 10 ink or something was there. HP India ink 76. We can utilize this. Our changes will be in one place. Okay. Now let's see if it is coming or not. Okay, so close this. Now it does not exist. We have to create it from the beginning again or what? Okay, let's see if it is saves or what happen, what it does. Okay. Okay. That's okay. Created no here. So this is done. Now if I come here and go here, read access only, that is fine. Okay, we have to come out, save, company code. Anything was there here? SP40 not required. Okay. Okay. So we have done it correctly. Okay. Here you see SBI Bank is now visible. So you can't do any changes here. You can just see it here. Okay. No, it is not coming here. Why? House bank ID, this thing should come, no? Bank account, not found in the match selection. We'll see it, okay? If it doesn't come, we'll go out and come back again. It created, it said, right there. So it should come here. Read access only. Yeah, now it is visible, see? Okay. So one account we have created here. Okay. This is done. Then we can go bank determinations. Now bank determinations, what we have to do, we have to give the ranking of this. So let's see our paying company code. So this one will give here ranking. Okay, so for this bank, this is ranking 1, this is for this payment method. Okay, so now house bank is different, so I'll create payment method A, currency INR. Okay, ranking order 1, I'll see here. House bank SBI. Okay, we can save it here. Already exists, so we can give ranking to, let's see what happens, whether it will take or not. Okay, it has taken now. Okay, now go to bank account. Okay, here we have to add, so our house bank SBI, and then payment method A, this is payment method only, right? Payment method A. Okay, and then currency INR, account ID was SBI. Okay, sub account we have to give our GL account. Okay, so what was that, 20, right? 20 was there, no? SBI main bank account. Okay, and then we save it, and then available amount, we do available amount for your bank. So that also we have to do it, right? Like how much amount is there, then only payment will happen, right? This many days we have to utilize. Okay, so I just give maximum amount just for learning, so we are doing all this. Okay, so 6 configuration is done, whatever the required was there for FBZP, automatic payment program. Okay, understood? Any question, query here? Anyone? It's easy, right, to do the configuration. So main thing you need to remember that FBZP, that is the transaction code which you have to use, and then one by one you have to give all these informations. Okay, now let's see what is this next. So this is done. We did here paying company code, payment method in country, payment method company code we assigned. Okay, then we did bank determinations one by one we did for SBI. Okay, so same thing, I just added this SBI, and then you can do bank account creation, which is need to do it in Fiori, which we did it in Fiori. Okay, this is bank account creation in Fiori. Now we have to run the automatic payment program here. Okay, so before doing this we have to do some vendor booking. Okay, so okay, so we had some vendors, right? If I do, what is the transaction code? FDAS43, right? So I will give today's date is 25 HP30. Okay, we will utilize some vendor recently created for our company code. Let's see, utilize somewhere 6. Okay, we will use this 6 and then go next. But it is no amount tolerance limit. Okay, this one somebody does it again and again. Okay, so let's do something. We give 50,000, 60,000 this time. Let's see. Okay, and this is, we are doing some purchase. Okay, and then no, let's do one thing. Let's create one new vendor only. Okay, leave this vendor. Okay, so vendor creation, transaction code is BP, and then you give your number range. What was that grouping? We should get it. Local BP HP30 where? Okay, we will utilize this one. Okay, HP30, let's say company. Okay, you gave name anything, HP30, HP30 BP2, let's give 2. Okay, business partner 2, and then you have to give all this information. Okay, what is this information we can give? So let's see, this is, we had given, right, something, ECT 100 Bangalore. Language English, huh? This create problems. Where is that English? English, okay. Anything else is required? No, this is fine. So we'll create first general, okay. So let's do this check. No, save. So something one has been created, okay. 411. So now we will create one vendor, okay. So for vendor we have to give the role for, okay, for five vendors. That role, what was that role here? FLVN00. Then you have to click that company code, okay, and you have to assign that company code. This is delete, okay, delete this one, and we will give HP30, okay. Now we just adopt it, okay. Now it is asking reconciliation account. So what was our reconciliation account? Reconciliation account for supplier. So this one we can use, and anything else is required. These things is not required as of now. Okay, here payment term 00, okay. Payment methods, house bank, automatic payment transactions. Let's give it here, okay. What was house bank? SBI, and let's see if it is taking or not, okay. So check if there is anything error free, okay. So we have given here payment method A, SBI, let's see, okay. So 5307 vendor has been created, okay. Now let's do some vendor invoice posting. So what is the transaction code? 5307, you remember, okay. Open FDES43 in FDES43 here. So we have created 7, right? 7 should come here now. BP27 here, see, came, okay. Now we'll do enter, we'll give something 60,000, and purchase account here 40, and then account, what was that account for this one? Expense account was there, right? Expense account, purchase account here, okay. Now star plus with here we have to give CCA, right? Cost center, no, it was creating. Now simulate, okay. So purchase account to your vendor account, then post 60,000, okay. So this is posted here now. If we do FB03, we can display our account, okay. So let it be here, open one side. So now if you go and see FBL1N, one transaction, you remember that, where we see vendor, open item, and all those cleared item, okay. So 7, this is the new vendor. So there should be some open item here. We just created, no, 60,000, okay, and due date has already met because due date is this one, okay. Let's see whether it is creating or not. Okay, now we'll do F110. So let them open, be there. So transaction code for automatic program is F110. You can note down. Okay, so what we have to give? The run date. You give run date, any date you can give, the date when you are running it. Okay, identification you can give your own. HP something A is already there, so I'll just say something A, no problem. Okay, enter. Then you have to give the parameters. What are the parameters? You have to give company code here, payment method A, next payment date you can give 1 day or 2 days. So whatever that this date is there, so till all the due date document till this date it will be selected here. Our supplier were 5307. Okay, in real time they will give one range, big range will be there. Okay, now anything else? So let's see if it is selected or not selecting. Okay, so I have to do save parameters. Okay, now I go status and do proposal run. Okay, first is proposal run. Let's see proposal. Start immediately, and then do proposal running. Did it select? Whether it has selected anything or not, we can come here in the display proposal and see it. So it has selected one. Okay, this document has been selected. Okay, see here this vendor, you can click it here and see the detail also. Okay, this GL account, and where is that house bank also it has picked because we have given it, right? Where is that amount will be visible or not here? Amount is there, but how do I go? See here 60,000, right? So this payment program, if we are running it, it will clear that document which is 60,000 is pending for this vendor. Okay, this supplier we can tell. So what we do? Just do payment run. Start immediately and do this. Payment is running. Okay. Do save here. See. Posting order 1, generated 1, completed 1. Okay, so if you want to see the logs, you can see the logs. Okay, payment here it will say. Okay, now we can, how do we verify it? We can go to again here, come back. Now if you do open item, if it is there, then it is wrong. See, now there is a no open item here. Okay, so if I go all item, we will see here 1 KR KZ. This two document has been created and it has been, this KR document has been cleared by this KZ. This KZ from where it has come? From what you have given it in payment method for country. From there it has picked. And these number ranges we have already defined, right? OBA7, that KR, KZ, we have defined on that it is creating it. Okay. If I go here, you can see the document number. See here. So this has been, this is what? Debit. Customer is debit and main bank is credit. Customer is debit. Here it is customer debit outgoing payment. Okay. And this is credit, main bank credit. So main bank has been credited by this and it has been cleared. Okay, got it? It is cleared automatically. If you do more, you can do multiple document also, it will pick. Okay, so let's do few more document and see whether it is picking or not. Okay, there is another transaction code called FB60 to create supplier invoice. Okay, vendor invoice. So I'm showing it to you guys so that you will be familiar with that both. Okay, so you can give supplier number, you can give the amount. Suppose I'll give 40,000 this time and then 50,000. Okay, 2 we will create 2 or 3 something. I will see 40,000 and text you can do purchase account. Here you can give your purchase this account amount. You can give what is that 40,000, right? If you don't know, just give star, automatically will pick. Yeah, text you can give bank account or something. Cost center, okay, CCA. So we can simulate and post. You don't have to go multiple screen. Here it is one screen, you can able to do it. So post, okay, so one document posted. Let's post some another document with the different amounts. For this time 50,000, okay, and we do the same thing, not an issue. So multiple document also will get cleared by automatic payment program. That we will see. Okay, anything else is there here? No, just enter 50,000, simulate and post. So 11 12 is posted. Okay, now I'll post one more. Let's see, 3 we will do. Okay, so 30,000 40,000 we did. Now it's the 30,000 we will do. Now first supplier number. No, what is the supplier number? This. So once you do the configuration correctly, you can do multiple time, multiple this thing. 42 amount we do this. Okay, cost center CA. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is done. Okay, now I will do just posting. Okay, so how many documents we have posted? 3 documents. Okay, so we will see whether these 3 documents are available or not here. Okay, so open item today until today. Okay, for this vendor, if you want to see, we should get 30,000 40,000 and 50,000. Okay, so all together how much? 101,20,000 open item for this vendor. So if you want to clear it now, do the payment. Okay, for this. So in manual, what we had to do, we had to do clear one by one, we have to clear it. But in automatic payment program, we can create all this at a one time. Okay, so how it will happen, let's see whether it will happen or not. Okay, so here we will create a new, so payment ID you can give new. Okay, now parameters you can give company code, this one payment method A, next payment date this, supplier we will give just our supplier. Okay, and now anything else is required. We did here payment method all case not required. Okay, save. Okay, so we have save it. So what we will do, we'll do proposal run. So we will see it is selecting or not. Okay, it is running. Proposal has been created. Okay, so how much it has been selected? Let's see. Display proposal. So it is saying one vendor. Okay, how many documents? 3 documents. See, vendor only one. So it has selected this 3. Okay, so multiple vendor also you can give. So that time multiple vendor we have to input it that place. Okay, that you can practice. I'll give you homework for you guys to do multiple vendor and do the posting and do that F110. So now we did the proposal. It is successful. Green. We'll go here and then we will do payment run. Where is that payment run? Here. We'll do payment run. Okay, payment run running. One completed, one generated. Okay, so this one it has been completed. Log is there, payment log started and log. Okay, so this is done. Now if I go here, come back, what I should get nothing, right? Because all 3 we got cleared it. How did we? Let's see. Then all item we will see it. Okay, so if I should do now, yes, see here everything has been cleared till now. Okay, so these 3, 11, 12, 13, those 3 has been cleared by only one document 6. 4006. Okay, so if you go inside, it will tell you which document it has been cleared by. So that clearing doc type will be there. Here it is saying clearing document type. Okay, here. Okay, this document number, this clearing document is this. This is how we should do automatic payment program. Okay, so as we had done it only for one vendor with multiple document, same way you can do different vendors also with a multiple document also. So instead of doing it one by one, you can do it through 110 all this document clearance, payment document clearance. Okay, any question, query here? All easy? Okay, previous batch it will be easy for you to understand because you have already done. Okay, okay, so